Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is how to adjust the height on your baby bouncer. My 5-month-old daughter is in love with this Fisher-Price Rainforest Jumperoo bouncer. She's growing by the minute, so we need to adjust the height. This bouncer has 3 bars and 3 straps numbered 1, 2, 3. I wanted to show you the height difference. Right now it is set at 1. It's 13.5 inches. Flip over the bouncer as carefully as you can. You'll notice there are 3 bars on each corner. Unlatch the silver bar by releasing it down. Take the strap and move it up to the next stage, which is number 2. Then snap the bar back into place. Make sure it is tightly secured. Right here is the difference. It is measured at 15.5 inches. That is exactly 2 inches difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would really help if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!